Howdy all, Chad here, and as an actor, you gotta have photos. It's your calling card. You can't go anywhere, you can't do anything without your standard headshot. You need a bunch of other photos to show off kind of who you are, what you do as an actor. Anyway, I wanted to share with y'all today a photo shoot that I did. I've posted these great shots on social media. My good friend Casey Shambora, who I've done many photo shoots with. This one had swords. Swords. As you can see in my background, I'm a big nerd, fantasy nerd. So he had a friend, had some swords. We said, let's do a shoot and just kind of mess around. I have a fantasy project in development that I also thought it'd be fun to have some photos for potentially. So this is a photo shoot. These are the end results of playing around with Casey, who's a fantastic photographer. Look him up on social media. I think it's just at Casey's Photography, Kassees Photography, if you want to check out his other great work. So this is kind of the shoot, the results. We just played around with some prop swords, and it was pretty cool. It was just, I guess you consider it more of a lifestyle editorial fun shoot, but of course we got some other shots in there that show physique and stuff like that. I like to do action films, so having pictures that represent the physique, the shape you're in, that's always a big question that you get asked when you're getting approached by a film or getting pitched for a film. Can you do the action? What kind of shape is he in? I try to keep myself in pretty good shape. So anyway, this photo shoot ticked a lot of boxes for me. Just wanted to show you the end results, and yeah, we'll send more. We'll do a proper headshot shoot, which is also a big part of an actor's, year to year, 6 month to 6 month process is to get updated pictures, headshots, kind of capture what this old mug looks like on the regular, to put that out there in the world so people can see how well you're aging. Anyway, enjoy the photo shoot, and we'll have more coming your way soon.